From the lap of luxury to a prison cell, Tibet's richest man finds himself in an unexpected situation. It's all because he reportedly offended China's communist leaders. Here's more on that.
A former Tibetan millionaire has ended up behind bars, where he'll likely spend the rest of his days, all for allegedly insulting high-profile officials in China's Communist Party. Entrepreneur Dorji Tashi was once the richest man on what's sometimes known as the roof of the world, Tibet. A source familiar with the matter described what happened behind the scenes.
During a Tibetan riot in 2008, the deputy director of public security and the city of Lhasa's mayor tried to get the two of them, Tashi and his brother, killed.
Wang explained that the two communist officials likely took issue with Tashi and his brother years ago, after they declined a request from the officials. Wang suspects this years-long grudge may be the real reason behind Tashi's arrest. At the time, the mayor requested that Tashi publicly defame another local official, but Tashi refused. In addition, Tashi's brother also turned down a senior policeman's demand for a free house. At the time, Tashi worked as a property developer. In retaliation, Tashi was sentenced to life in prison for what officials called committing loan fraud over a decade ago. But Wang says the verdict is wrong.
Even the bank that lent him money denies that Tashi committed fraud. They trust each other after having multiple transactions, and he eventually repaid the loan in full, including interest.
After his arrest, Chinese authorities seized all his assets, an equivalent of over $600 million. That's including a hotel in Tibet's capital city, Lhasa.
Tashi had pleaded not guilty until now. The former mayor of Lhasa asked the prison guards to torture him. Tashi has mostly been serving his sentence in solitary confinement, and he has many health problems.
Wang added that Tashi suffers from diabetes and high blood pressure as a result of years of physical abuse in prison. To get out of jail, Tashi appealed the court's decision twice.
Their family lost all their appeals. No one can defend him in court. As soon as he finds a lawyer, the officials will begin to intervene.
Wang noted that Tibetan authorities ordered Tashi's defense lawyer to stop representing him. The verdict orders Tashi to spend the rest of his life in jail.